Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to hide story notification content from your lock screen on Messenger. If you're someone who values privacy and doesn't want story previews showing up for anyone glancing at your phone, this quick tutorial will help you take control of your notifications in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where all the background controls for your apps and notifications live. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will bring up a full list of all the applications installed on your device. From here, find and select Messenger. Once you're inside the Messenger settings, look for the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. This is where you can decide exactly how Messenger alerts you and what shows up. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down the different types of notifications from Messenger, so you can customize them individually instead of making one change for everything. From the list of categories, select Stories. This is the one responsible for showing when someone posts a new story and the preview that can appear on your lock screen. Inside the Stories category, find and tap on Lock Screen. You'll now see options for how these notifications appear. To keep things private, select Hide Content. That's it. Once you've chosen Hide Content, your Messenger story notifications will still arrive, but the specific details and previews won't be visible on your lock screen anymore. This way, you'll know you received a story update without anyone else being able to see what's inside. It only takes a minute to set up, but it makes a big difference in protecting your privacy and keeping your lock screen looking clean. Small adjustments like this give you better control over what information you want to display. And there you have it, an updated guide on how to hide story notification content from your lock screen on Messenger.